This is a short video on what to do when you've created something in desktop publishing in a program like Adobe InDesign and the file size is like 30 megabytes and it's too large to attach to an email or put on the internet, and so therefore you want to make a smaller file size but maintain quality, so you try and make a press quality PDF and it doesn't work as expected and the graphics come out messed up. So here you see your document in InDesign. The graphics are probably 300 dots per inch. The red and the black graphics were made separately with a little bit of overlap in Photoshop, and then they were combined together in exact registration into InDesign. And so now I'm going to do it the normal way. You go File and you go Print and you choose Adobe PDF and you go to Output, and you can use Composite RGB, makes lighter graphics and not so dark. And then you go to Graphics, All, Advanced, All, High Resolution. And so we're trying to get the highest quality here. It's going to make a real low file size compared to the InDesign document. Would be if it came out right, less than 1 megabyte. So now we go Adobe PDF here as our printer, and we're going to go Preferences, and we selected from the list here the highest one, which is Press Quality. We've unchecked the box Rely on System Fonts Only because we want the fonts to go with the document. So we've done everything we know to make this thing right, and then we go OK, and then we go Print, and then it print again, and it tries to make the conversion, and then it asks for where you want to store the document. But what happens is, for some unknown reason, I think I know what it is, you get one of these where it's just not acceptable at all. I think what happened is the transparency factor in the Photoshop for the red items graphics, it got messed up. It didn't carry over the transparency properly. So there is a solution, and that's what we're going to get into now. So we'll downsize this, and the solution is to go another route. So we're going to go up here, File, and this time we're going to go to Export. And by going to Export, we're going to say where we want to save the document. I already have it here once. It's no compression on this one, but by taking out the compression, we're hoping we can eliminate the problem that we had, the way the graphics didn't display properly. So what we're going to do is go Save, and it's already open, so I have to close it. And so here's what it's going to look like when we get done. It's going to look like this instead of like this, which was a press quality, going File, Print, and going that route. We're going to go this route with no compression and come out with a good document. So what we're going to do in that case is to do the other route, and this is what it's going to look like, but I have to close it because I can't work with it. So the other route is to downsize this. We're in the InDesign document now. So we're going to go File, and we're going to go Export. Then we're going to save it here. It wants me to replace the existing document, yes. And now it gives me my parameters here. I got high quality print modified. See if there's a press quality here. Yes, there's press quality. So high quality print modified, and then under compression over here, I would go, instead of all these options here for making the file size smaller, I would just on each one I would click on Do Not Downsample. Color images do not downsample. Gray images do not downsample. Monochrome images do not downsample. And compression down here, none. Could have clicked on none compression here. and we could have clicked on non-compression here. And so I think we're gonna try something different here. We're gonna go to press quality here, and we're going to go to export now. It's making the conversion now, and in a moment we'll see it come up, and we'll see if we arrived at something that doesn't have a messed up document. There you go. Now this document still, because there was no compression used, is maybe too large to attach to an email, so we're going to check it out. So we go to File and go to Properties, and right here, Description. The fonts are embedded in the document. Description, we have only 615.87 kilobytes size of the document. So it went from a 30 megabyte size document at good quality and InDesign to a 615 kilobyte, less than 1 megabyte size document as an Acrobat document. So people can use this document to print high quality on their color laser printer. If they wanted it to go to a service bureau, they would separate the colors and make the negatives for you from this document. Or you could just print directly from InDesign to your laser printer and go under color separations under output and view the color separations from the red and the black, and then print your own color separations for a two-color printing press. Thank you for watching this video.